Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about subject and predicate. So subject of a sentence is noun or noun equivalent about which something is said. Okay. And predicate is all that we tell about the subject. So subject sentence में वो होता है, वो है noun और noun equivalent होता है जिसके बारे में बताया जाता है. और ये जो predicate होता है वो subject के बारे में बताता है. Okay. Subject वो होता है जिसके बारे में बताया जाता है. वो कौन बताता है? प्रेडिकेट बताता है. ओके तो उसका फॉर्मेट क्या होता है सेंटेंस का? यूजुअली सारे सेंटेंस का फॉर्मेट यही होता है, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. जो ये वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस है इसी को प्रेडिकेट कहते हैं. सो सब्जेक्ट अलग पार्ट हो गया, वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट और रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस ये तीनों मिला के उसे प्रेडिकेट कहते हैं. ओके और जो प्रेडिकेट होता है उसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट सबसे एसेंशियल पार्ट जो होता है वो वर्ब होता है पूरे प्रेडिकेट में से. ओके सो द फॉर्मेट इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रेडिकेट. एंड इन अ प्रेडिकेट द एसेंशियल पार्ट इज वर्ब. Okay, now let's see some examples. Raj met his friend on the way. So what is subject in the sentence? See, what we have understood from this, the subject of a sentence is noun or noun equivalent about which something is said. So here the action of meeting his friend is done by whom? Raj. And Raj is also a noun. So this Raj is a subject of the sentence, is the subject of the sentence. Met is verb, action of meeting. His friend, whom he met, his friend. So this becomes object. And on the way is rest of the sentence. ROS is rest of the sentence. So basically this portion, met his friend on the way, this portion becomes predicate of the sentence because it describes the action of Raj. Raj, what is Raj doing? Raj met his friend on the way. So that met his friend on the way portion becomes predicate and Raj becomes subject. She ate an apple in the garden. So who ate an apple in the garden? Action of eating is done by whom? She, by her. Okay, so this she is subject and ate is action, that is verb. What she ate? An apple. So an apple is object and in the garden is rest of the sentence. So this ate an apple in the garden, this portion becomes predicate. Okay, and she is subject. Okay, so action of eating an apple is done by her, so she becomes subject. And ate an apple in the garden, this describes what the subject is doing. So what she has done, what she did, she ate an apple in the garden. So ate an apple in the garden is predicate. Okay, you can go through this format and relate this. Let's see some more examples. The earth revolves around the sun. Even you can tell now. What is subject? Who revolves around the sun? The earth. Okay, so the earth is subject because he is doing an action of revolving around the sun. Okay, now what is the action? To revolve. Revolve is an action, so that becomes our verb. And around the sun, okay, this is the object. So the earth is subject and revolves around the sun is predicate. Right, now let's see next one. Neha has many friends. Who has many friends? Action of having many friends is done by whom? Neha. So Neha is also a noun, na? So Neha is a subject and has is verb. Many friends. Okay, so has many friends, this you can say as object or rest of the sentence also. So this becomes has many friends, verb and object and rest of the sentence. So this is predicate and Neha is subject. Okay, now this is a bit different example. So here the subject and predicate will remain same, but we do not have a big longer sentence like the other sentences we had. Here it is simply they walked. The action of walking is done by whom? They. Okay, there is a pronoun, noun equivalent we can call it. So this is subject, and simply we have verb, walking. This walked is verb, and hence we do not have here object or rest of the sentence. So they is subject, and this walked, which is a verb, which is also the predicate of our given sentence. Okay, now let's see. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So what keeps the doctor away? Action of keeping the doctor away is done by whom? An apple. So an apple is what? Subject. Okay, then it keeps the doctor away. So keeps is the verb. The doctor becomes object. Okay, and a day and away, and this goes in the rest of the part of the sentence. So basically an apple is the subject, a day keeps the doctor away is predicate. Okay, so that was about our subject and predicate. I hope you have got it.